In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a new profile on the Chrome browser step by step so you can keep your bookmarks, passwords, extensions, browsing history, and Google accounts separate and organized. This is especially helpful if you use one computer for work, school, personal browsing, or multiple Google accounts. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to make sure Chrome is fully loaded before moving on to the next step. Once it opens, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You should see your current profile icon there. This profile area is where Chrome stores your personal browsing data, so clicking it is the key to creating a separate browser profile. Now click the profile icon. A menu will appear with your current profile options. From here, look for the option that says Add Chrome Profile. Click that to begin creating a brand new browser profile. Chrome will now start setting up the new profile space for you. At this point, Chrome may ask you to sign in. If it does, go ahead and click Sign In. This allows the new profile to connect to a Google account, which is useful if you want your bookmarks, passwords, and settings to sync across devices. Next, enter the email address for the Google account you want to use. Then click Next. After that, enter your password and click Next again. Chrome may take a moment to verify your account. Once the sign-in process is complete, you may see a confirmation screen. If prompted, click Yes, I'm in to finish linking the profile and confirm that you want to proceed. And that's it. Your new Chrome profile is now set up. You can use it as a completely separate browsing space, which makes it much easier to stay organized and keep different accounts apart. For example, you can have one profile for work, one for personal use, and another for school or side projects. If you want, you can repeat the same process later to create even more profiles. That's one of the best features of Chrome profiles. They help you manage multiple identities without mixing up your browsing data. Each profile can have its own bookmarks, extensions, saved passwords, and history, so everything stays clean and easy to access. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. It really helps support the channel and tells me to make more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.